Adam here. I'm outside at my friend's house, and it's snowing. I mean, as you can see, shoveled a little bit. I'm filming this on my phone. Shoveled a little bit over here. We're supposed to get a big storm right now until Sunday. 6. It's pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see some of the snow in the yard. Shoveled some right there. Yeah, it's just very cold. Ben, by the way, how you guys been? It's been a while since I did a YouTube video. Well, snowing pretty hard. This is pretty good. Pretty good though. The storm has come, part 1. Just this YouTube video is the snowstorm has come, part 1. I mean, well, I'm gonna do the snowstorm has come, part 2 tomorrow, and probably Sunday I'll do the snowstorm has come, part 3. That was just to let you know, guys, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment for like some videos I have. This is Adam signing off. Bye.